Another popular item type is the slider interaction, where you indicate a numeric value such as a percentage or total by sliding an indicator on a horizontal scale. To create a slider interaction item, click on Items on the Assessment Builder bar, then again on the folder in which you want the item to reside. You can create a new folder at any time. Now, let's create a new item. Type the name of the item into the label field, save, then move on to authoring. The library panel on the left shows you all the possible QTI interaction types you can create using Tau. From the Common Interactions category, drag and drop the slider icon onto the canvas. Fill in the question field. If your item requires a graphic, go to the formatting icon and insert image. Now browse, select, and upload your desired graphic with Add Files. To define the correct answer, go to the Response tab and set the slider to the correct value. Now you've successfully created a new item. Save and get a preview. Remember, this is just one of many QTI interaction types that Tau supports. Don't forget to check out the rest.